Well, hello and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for coming. My name is Lyndon. In this video, I want to take a really good look at the most fabulous lick. It's so iconic. It's absolutely huge, and it is John Coltrane's masterpiece that he released in 1965 called A Love Supreme. And this lick is from that piece of work, A Love Supreme. And this is actually in part one, because A Love Supreme is in 4 parts, and this is from part 1, which is called Acknowledgement. And the lick that I'm referring to comes in at 4 minutes and 55 seconds, and he continues to work this lick until 6 minutes and 4 seconds into the tune, which is massive. And what he does is he takes this lick, and even though the band are not changing key, he takes that lick and plays it in all 12 keys at some point. Now, he doesn't follow a discernible pattern really, but he does play the key in all 12 licks. Believe me, I've checked because I was listening to it this morning. It's amazing. It's absolutely fantastic. So that's what we're going to be taking a look at. We're going to be doing this for alto and for tenor sax. I'm going to be playing the tenor sax, and I'm going to put the notes that I'm playing at the bottom here. We're going to explore the lick and understand it. We are going to work out how to be able to do that in any key, and then I'm going to show you how it magically seems to fit in any key. Whatever I play it over, it will always fit over this one key. I'll demonstrate that. Very, very useful, by the way, because if you're ever in a minor key situation, you could play this lick in any key and it will fit. The ones that will fit will sound awesome, and the ones that don't fit just sound really jazzy, so it's amazing. So we're going to make sure that we understand the structure of the lick and play it in one key, and then I'm going to create, or I've created a backing track and leaving a space for you to do that. And we're going to go around the cycle, I should do it this way, cycle of fourths anti-clockwise. So we're going to be, and I'll explain that. So we're going to go around and do it in every key, and I'm going to leave a space for you to practice this with the notes at the bottom in alto and tenor. What more could I do? I'll put a worksheet at the end. I think this is a fabulous exercise. It's really, really, really good, and it's great fun. Before I dive into that, thank you YouTube world for supporting this channel by subscribing and liking and sharing my videos if you think they've got some value. Your positive comments have impact, your words have impact, believe me. They really, really do on me and my family, and you're supporting me by buying coffee and tipping on PayPal. I'm so incredibly grateful for. Let's have a look at this. So first of all, I'm going to go on YouTube. Now, I must keep this short so that I don't incur any kind of copyright issues. But if you go to YouTube and you have a look for John Coltrane, A Love Supreme, Part 1, Acknowledgement, and then if you have a quick listen, I might just take the volume down because this is a different volume to what else I'm doing. So have a listen. So here it comes, it's that. Now he does this, amazing. It's iconic, that is absolutely fantastic. So what is it that he's doing? So let's get out of there. What is it exactly that he's doing? Well, on the tenor saxophone, the notes that he's playing are these. Yeah, so he is in, for tenor sax, in the key of G minor, which is G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F and G. And the notes that, and if we have a look at the chord tones, which are G, B flat, D and F. This, by the way, is G minor 7, and this, oops, it's not good. This is the chord, and the notes that he is playing is G, B flat, G and C, and this is 1, 3, 1 and 4. So that's it, that's all he's doing. But this phrase is kind of magical, and what I've done is that if you go to the fabulous app Session Band Jazz Volume 3, they've actually got a section on Love Supreme, which is absolutely fantastic. And what I've done is that I've gone into a Love Supreme backing track, and I have created a G minor for tenor sax. Now, like I said, I'm going to put the notes underneath. So have a listen to how that sounds. Now, at the moment, as you can see, I've just looped this on my G minor. I've gone into here, making sure that I'm in B flat, and I've just looped that. So if I play this phrase again, I'll put the notes up for alto and tenor at the bottom. Isn't that nice? Really, really, really nice. So what I can do is now I'm going to demonstrate, I'm going to play this in different keys, and you'll see that anything that I play sounds kind of cool, even when the backing track stays the same, but I'm taking this lick round in lots of other keys. Have a listen. So the backing track didn't change, but I put that in lots of different keys and it still sounded absolutely fantastic. So it's a very, very cool thing for you to do in a particular minor key. Play this lick and you can play it in any key and you're just going to sound really, really, really jazzy. So it is a pretty cool thing to do. So let's take it round in all 12 keys. So just to be crystal clear, I'm going to play the lick twice and then I'm going to leave a space for you to play the lick. So it'll sound like this. It'll be me. Ba-da, 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 ba-da. Then you. Ba-da, 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 ba-da. Then you. Ba-da, 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 ba-da. And so on and so forth. Yeah. So let's do it. This is such a good lick, right? Let's do it. Here we go. Awesome job. Absolutely fantastic. What a cool lick that is. So if you want to reference John Coltrane's A Love Supreme, this is a fabulous way to do it. Anybody that knows jazz or knows John Coltrane, if you play boo-dee-da-da, their heads will pop up, and if you repeat that and do it in some other keys, they'll know exactly what you're referring to, because it is a fantastic, superb masterpiece written by one of the greatest saxophonists who ever lived, John Coltrane. It's so, so cool. Right, I do hope that was useful to you. Thank you again for all of your support. support, your subscribing, your liking, your sharing, sending me positive comments and sending me tips. I really do appreciate it, massively so. And do let me know if this has been useful for you, and if you've got any suggestions about things that you'd like me to make videos about, because I'm totally up for writing that on my very long list. Once again, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.
Thank you.